Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening another box for Yu-Gi-Oh! Maze of the Master. Who could have guessed? Everybody who watched the last video, I guess. Haha. So without further ado, let's see what we find. "24 packs filled with goodies. And as always, we are starting on the right side of the box. No specific pattern, just because I decide so. And we have a Earthbound Immortal Red Nova for our starter. Let's move to the next pack, where we have a Grief tablet. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get the Duke of Demise for our first ultra rare here. Moving on. Let's see, a Performance Trapeze High Magician. You can do better. For example, or maybe not for example, with a Gladiator Beast Retiree. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. A lot of cards. We get a 7th Tachyon. That's a decent one to hit. Probably one of the best ones. You will see. On to the next pack we go. Excitement. We get a Divine Golden Shadow Dragon Draguxian. And we move to the next pack. Let's see what we get. A Sword Soul of Moye. Moving on. We get a Performance Trapeze Witch. And on to the next one, where we have an Allure Palace. Second to last pack. For the right side, of course, only. Where we get an XYZ Hyper Dragon Cannon. That's an oldie. And last pack for the right side. Let's see what we get. We get a Golden Allure Queen. And that's it here. So we move to the left side. Let's see what we get. A Trickster Colchica. And on to the next one. We get a Gimmick Puppet Fiendish Knight. And to the next one we go. We have another trickster called Chica. On to the next one. With a singularity hint. We also had one in the last box. Not exciting. Not impressed. Moving on. I've already forgotten all about it. And now we get what we deserve, which is a Trickstar Aqua Angel. And we move to the next one. We have a Performance Trapeze Switch. Yet again. On to the next one. With a clear Phantom. To the next one we move. Where we have a Soul Fist. No, that wasn't very useful. Because we still had to open it properly. Let's see what we get here. Another Sword Soul of Mounier. And we're down to 3 packs. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. But of course 2 more boxes waiting for you. Another Soul Fist. Second to last pack of the box. Come on, pack, you gotta make it count. And it's a Gladiator Beast Retiree. Last pack. Of the box, which is a very stubborn pack. And we do it extra slow, right? No, not wasting your time here. Especially since you only get a Performage Fire Dancer. And that's it here for the box. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.